lie to you, but I wasn't gonna make no video today, but look at it. Ooh, that be hard. Hey. Oh! Let me roll down the window, bitch. Let me roll down the window, bitch. That bitch sound, that shit stands so good. Listen to it. Listen to it. Listen to it. Hell nah. Damn, he getting off the freeway? I hope not. Damn. I guess this is gonna be a short video. Nah, you know what? I'm gonna make this a little POV the rest of the way. Dang, man. I wasn't even gonna make no video today, but then I saw his ass. But that shit look so good, bro. That shit look way too good. And I just got my car washed. This bitch look disgusting. Damn, I don't know if I feel like I hear police lights or what. Yeah, I can't even go, man. I can't even get over it, man. The whole lane going slow as shit. Yeah, but it look like it. Nah, that ain't running. It ain't running for nothing in the world. Damn, I had just found me a little gap, and he gonna take it. Fuck it, I'm taking it too. I just hope it ain't no traffic up here, bro. I'm trying to push this off. I'm already making a video. I might as well go all the way. And it's an underpass. Let's go. We finna hit the. Oh shit! Oh my fucking bro! The gas for the shake when I do that shit every time, bro. Why they slamming on brakes, bro? Go, bro! Put that bitch back in automatic. Ain't no time. Ooh, what hell? What traffic like hell, boy? I can't even get no good footage for real. Damn, why you looking at me, bitch? Oh, my bad. My bad. I'ma bleep that out. Yeah, now everybody look at you funny as hell when you in a fucking Widebody with no tent. Back in automatic mode. Damn, I can't even get no. Oop, that's police back there. Damn, I'm always getting lucky. I mean, unlucky with that shit. I do not like police. They scare me every time. I mean, like I want tent, but now I'm too scared. Oh, that's so scared. I wonder if he's gonna hit it. I wonder if he's gonna get it with me. Nah, he ain't gonna push it. Nah, he ain't gonna get it with me. Damn, normal traffic suck. Everybody out here got 10. You know we black as hell. Everybody out here got 10, except for me. That's some sad shit. Even the car in front of me got some. He might not got no 10. His shit dirty as hell. No offense. I mean, you like your car dirty, you do your thing. I'm not gonna ride dirty, you feel me? Not like that. Shit, look at the wheels, but them all look matte black. Them bitches come chrome. Skip this shit. Hey man, real shit though. Y'all gotta let me know if I should get long tube headers or just keep the exhaust I got now. Like right now I got the catless down pipe right now. You're looking at me for man, y'all be tripping. Anyway, I got the catless down pipe. No, catless mid pipe, whatever. The same shit for real. And I don't know. I kind of like the sound, but I don't know that like the long tubes. I wonder what they'll sound like. You feel me? So yeah, go ahead, comment. Let me know what that'll sound like, and let me know if I should get it or if I telling you, bro, when this YouTube money take off, bro, I'm buying me a 300, beat the fuck up, and I'm putting a demon motor in it. I don't care. Can't nobody tell me not. And it's gonna be all-wheel drive. I promise you that. That's gonna be the hardest crazy 300 on earth. On earth. Man, I can't even get over, bro. Look at the damn car, bro. I can't even get over at this bitch. Oh, look at that shit, bro. You got tint like mud. And you blocking me like hell. Everybody in there will be having tint like hell. I can't get past shit. Watch where you going before you slam into them folks right there. You ain't gotta stare at me like that. Damn, yo, that's why I'm getting tint, bro. In the next couple videos, bro, I'm getting tint, bro. That's the next mod. I'm not buying nothing else. If it ain't tint, I don't want it. Well, not yet, at least. Unless somebody were to give me a haircut, and then yeah, we all in. And then it's way darker than it really is. I don't know, this camera picking up mad light. I don't know how, because it's way too dark. Right now, it look like I got 10 on in real life. This shit bright as hell. Let me turn that shit down a little bit. That's a little bit better. Once again, I say this shit all the time. Bro, this is not real life. This is GTA. GTA roleplay, you feel me? In real life. But it's GTA. Closer to that. No, but he got the Amazon lights on his wheels. I'm weak, fam. I mean, like what you like. Oop, that's the police, bro. It's police everywhere, bro. I'm tired of this shit, bro. Please don't put me over. Anyway, he got the LED lights, you know, but he hard as hell. But he crimped out this mud, you know. He riding dirty. You feel me? He going hard as hell. Get that bitch going. Get that bitch going. I wonder what them wheels look like. Damn. Never mind. Ah, shit. I read that bit too high. Yeah, I read that bit a little bit too high. That shit was not called for whatsoever. Yo, fam, bro, in front of me keep slamming on brakes, bro. Folks can't drive over here, bro. Trying to record, give me some content so I can get paid, and folks out here slamming on brakes. Look at his ass, he's still slamming on brakes. What's wrong with you, dude? You gotta be on drugs. Ain't no way, that ain't no normal shit, you feel me? Jaguar, that be hard. Time out, that be hard as hell. It's always the old people that drive them all. Oh, thought it'd be back in manual. Straight pipe all day. That shit hard. I don't give a fuck, bro. I'm not changing the exhaust. I'm not. Unless, nah, I take that bit. I feel like long tools might make that bitch scream a tad bit louder. And then, maybe I get it cammed. Oh my goodness, this shit so hard. This shit so hard, fam. Yo, that shit is like a mechanical orgasm every time, bro. That shit made me feel too good, bro. I gotta stop that shit because gas ain't cheap. Hell nah, gas is not cheap. Look at that Mustang, just getting it out there, ho. Slow your ass down, bro, using the V6. No offense to the V6 owners, but slow your ass down. Slow your roll, big dog. Slow your roll. Shit, I'm pulling up to my grandmother's house, so, you know, I'm shots in real quick. Oh shit. Oh yo, driving this bitch is it's a workout every time. Like every time I get out the car, but this shit feel like I don't even look like I just ran a fucking marathon. Let me watch my language. I'm still supposed to be cutting. I'm trying to get monetized out of it. I'm gonna get y'all some footage outside the car real quick, and then that's it. A short video today. Y'all go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. You know, I'm gonna say it once. Nah, I might say it again at the end of the video. We live though. Brand new tires all around. Time out, bro. Hey, next video, bro. I'm talking about the build. I'll show you how I get the stands and stuff like that. Look at that, bro. I'll show you the requirements, what you need for it. Crazy sunset. I love the sunsets out here. But oh my goodness, but I'm gonna give me And she clean as I don't know what. Ain't been clean in a little while. Hey, what's gonna be the? I think I'm gonna make this one. Yeah. Oh yeah. This gonna be the sunset. This gonna be the thumbnail. Boom. That right there.